its inner landscape. After death my soul will travel, O protector of travelers. A devotional poem written by Shri Ananda Krishna. Deep in the rocks, my soul lies, in peaceful sleep, in latent and undifferentiated condition. In the minerals, my soul lies in sleep. The silent ground of my being, let me discover. Serenity within my soul, let me discover. The inexhaustible strength within my being, let me discover. The dark night, lit by the mystic stars, let me discover. To its inner landscape, after death, my soul will travel, O protector of travelers. The heavens will help me reclaim my mineral soul. With the help of the rocks and the mountains, I will discover my goal. As with an old friend or an elder, let me commune with the rocks and mountains. Let my soul drink from your divine fountains. Different levels of my own being, let me discover on the hills and the mountains. Let me survey the entire horizon of my being from top of your sacred mountains. To its inner landscape, after death, my soul will travel, O protector of travelers. From the special summit of your sacred mountain, let me survey your heavenly landscape. With the help of your light, let me survey my inner landscape. From the ancient heights of the sacred mountains, let me look at my own life. The whole of your civilization, let me discover that is free from darkness and strife. From the ancient peaks of your sacred mountain, all my problems are little more than dust. In your ancient world, all my soul's problems are not more than dust. To its inner landscape, after death, my soul will travel, O protector of travelers. Sacred is the land where I have lived. In the temple, open to the sky, I have lived. The contours, soils, and textures of your mystic lands, I have seen. Into the caverns of your sacred heart, my soul has been. In the rocks and the mountains, my soul remains hidden in deep meditation. In the inner depth of Mother Earth, my soul remains hidden in deep meditation. To its inner landscape, after death, my soul will travel, O protector of travelers. The pilgrimage through the mineral kingdom my soul has undertaken. To reclaim the whole landscape of sacred earth, my soul has undertaken. The rocks, soils and the mountains contain the ingredients of my own soul. The nutrients of the mineral world circulate in my own soul. My own home, matrix, and support is provided by the sacred earth. My own body is kept strong and straight by the power of the sacred earth. To its inner landscape, after death, my soul will travel, O protector of travelers. The ancient rocks and the stones contain my own flesh. The ancient mineral fire burns in my own flesh. The light of the entire planet is hidden in my own soul. The power of all earth is hidden in my own soul. In deep sleep, my soul will return to the mineral kingdom. My soul gets naturally renewed in your mineral kingdom to its inner landscape. After death, my soul will travel, O protector of travelers. In the rocks and the mountains, my soul rests in a state of peace, sustained by the forces of eternity. My soul rests in a state of peace with the basic substance of your being. My soul is renewed with the nectar of divinity. My soul is renewed. Both the material and the divine exists within the stone of my being. Both the immanent and the transcendent exist within the stone of my being. To its inner landscape, after death, my soul will travel, O protector of travelers. The change within my soul is driven by a cosmic fire. The evolution in the world outside is driven by a cosmic fire. All the force of the universe is contained in your cosmic fire. The bridge between the sacred and the profane is your sacred fire. A bridge from this mortal world to the heavens is your sacred fire. A bridge to the eternal realm is your sacred fire. To its inner landscape, after death, my soul will travel, O protector of travelers. To the far side of your mystic bridge, let my soul travel. To the world where God, soul and the world are one, let me travel. Native wisdom of all cultures, let discover. With a new insight and intuition, your world, let me discover. My true relationship with nature, let me discover. My life, intertwined with the whole of existence, let me discover. To its inner landscape, after death, my soul will travel, O protector of travelers. Let my true native wisdom blossom once again. The keepers of the sacred flame, let me discover once again. All the forms of the sacred fire on earth, let me discover. Beyond the heavens, let me discover. Religion of enlightenment, let me discover. Eternal religion of humanity, let me discover. To its inner landscape, after death, my soul will travel, O protector of travelers. At the deepest core of my mind and heart, let me transform from material force to spiritual being. Let my soul transform. Within every soul is hidden the power of higher evolution. Both nature and spirit craves for higher evolution. This universe has been created by your cosmic fire. All the levels from matter to mind are created by your cosmic fire. To its inner landscape, after death, my soul will travel, O protector of travelers. The spiritual history of my soul, only you have known. The creative power of your cosmos, my soul has known. Your sacred presence within and around me, let me no more neglect. With the help of your grace, my soul shall resurrect. Let a new inner fire lead my soul back into your light. Let my soul spin with harmony with the help of your light to its inner landscape. After death, my soul will travel, O protector of travelers.